Hey everybody, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a foot treatment that would actually help you to remove wrinkles from your foot and then make your foot look shiny, make your foot look really young. Okay, I know that most people actually suffer from dry and fracky foot, and then your foot will actually be looking as if you are so aged. Okay, this particular treatment would actually help you to solve all of that, and you are going to be really pleased with it. So why not follow me along? Let me show you all of the ingredients and how you can achieve a more younger fit. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up the video and share it up. And now let's go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be showing you a very great, massive and very helpful feet or foot treatment that would help you to remove wrinkles and roughness from your feet. Okay guys, so this is our lemon. This is our local lemon. It's usually sometimes it's ugly just like this one is. All right, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna first of all extract the juice from this lemon by pressing it out. Alright, so this is it. Let me remove the seeds. Okay, so the very next ingredient for this foot treatment is sugar. Okay, so we need some sugar to scrub out those roughness, wrinkles and fine lines, and we need our feet to be shiny, and we need the pores there to be unblocked so that we're going to get that glow on our feet. And that's why we're actually using sugar. So because sugar contains a smaller garnet particles, it helps to scrub out dead skin cells, and that is actually our aim, our target for scrubbing out those dead skin cells and having a smoother and more glowing looking beautiful feet. Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting in about 2 tablespoons of my sugar, and then we're going to be mixing that up together. So the very next ingredient, which is actually very important and also very needed, is baking soda. Now baking soda is also called bicarbonate of soda. It helps so much in terms of scrubbing out dead skin cells, removing wrinkles, fine lines, and making your skin and your leg look very beautiful. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to be putting about 2 tablespoons. This is equally going to make your feet really soft. Okay, very soft. 2 tablespoons of baking soda will be fine for this. Okay, so that it will go around your whole leg, your feet, your whole leg basically. So this is what is going to happen when you put baking soda with lemon. It's going to foam, but the foaminess is going to go down, just like it's beginning to go down right now. So the very next ingredient, which is very important and required also, is rice powder. Now, rice powder is a great ingredient that lightens the skin up because it removes dead skin cells and leave your skin looking younger and more radiant. It helps you glow and it helps in removing fine lines also. So I'm gonna be putting about 2 tablespoons of that in here also. And then I would have to mix and stir it all up together. Wow, this consistency is perfect for any person to just use and to glow and smoothing out your leg basically. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to be removing this and I'm going to be applying this on my leg. So I'm gonna, since my hand can't actually go touch my leg very well, it's gonna be difficult. So my baby girl is gonna assist me in doing that. So you're gonna be seeing one fresh hand scrubbing my leg. So you're going to be using that, and then you're going to be applying it, and then you just apply it first. Apply everywhere first. Just like that. Yay. Okay, thank you for applying. Alright, so after the application, the next thing you do is to scrub this just like this. Scrub it just like this. Okay, so you're actually going to be applying it on your second leg, but I can't go there. My belly is very long. Okay, so you equally have to scrub your foot, okay, so that your foot can actually become very, very soft. You scrub for at least 1 hour. Okay, now you have to apply a little bit of force because your foot area is usually stronger, like the skin on this foot is actually stronger than the skin on your hands. So even if you want to use this treatment on your hands also, you would have to scrub it lightly more than you scrubbing your feet. But of course, scrubbing your feet, you need to apply a little bit of force, and you need to scrub this for, you need to use this for at least 5 days consecutively. Like, you have to be consistent for 5 days, and you are going to be seeing the results. Your feet is going to be fresher, and it's going to glow, and it's going to, you know, the color is going to be toned up, and then it's going to be looking really uniform. Yeah, so go give this a go. Try it for 5 days, and I'm sure it's going to help your feet polish up really, really good, just like mine. Yo guys, so go scrub out all of those oldness on your feet, scrub out all of those frackiness, those dryness, have a younger feet again, and be happy, literally, because when you have that even skin tone, your skin is actually looking even beautiful and smooth, and your leg is looking as young as your age is. Okay, you are actually going to be happy. So go achieve this, do it and do it again, okay, and your results will be permanent. Okay guys, so that's it. If you do love this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.